Alright, so we have prepared the goods for the clients. So if you want to order anything related to irrigation or greenhouses, we are there for you. You can also look, this is the factory where they are preparing the goods. So if you need help, just get in touch with us. We can provide you anything that you want. So like I showed you, this is what the factory does. So get in touch with us. For storage trees, where we store the spare parts. This is mainly for the control systems of the greenhouses. So if you need any spare parts, we also provide. We just don't give you the materials, but we also give you together with the spare parts. So feel free, get in touch with us, and we can help you. Thank you. So I'm just gonna introduce a little bit about this factory. So as we look here, the first thing, this is basically making some poles on the steel rod, and as you can see, this is manually operated. But as you move a bit further on the other side, this one is automatically operated. It's one of the most expensive machines that they use in this factory. So this gives you a better view and a better perspective. Then as we look to this side, we can see these are different storage for different clients that have already purchased. And whenever you purchase something from us, we want to make sure that everything is well packaged and safe, that it reaches to your country very well without any missing or any being broken. So we basically use, let me take you here. We have this wooden covering. So as you can see, if your materials are a bit small, we can fit them in this box just to make sure everything is set and reaches to you. This is for another client that we've already done. These are the different packaging system. We can also look here. So let's say you have ordered something bigger that might require more space. We basically use this material to cover. This is just to make sure that you receive your goods safe and they are not broken. Okay, so if you need anything, get in touch with us, and we are here to help you and support you. Thank you. All right, so here we are now in the showroom. So like I said, this factory focuses more on greenhouse. So here we are just trying to see a model on how they used it to control temperature at the upper floor of their factory. So as we can see here, this is more like the material that they also use in the making of greenhouses. And you can see all these materials have been made from this factory. And also, if we can look up there, we can see there is a motor there. This also helps to control the temperature within the room. So whether it's too hot or it's too cold, this helps us to control the temperature. And if you can look just on top, there's something black that's kind of open. During winter, they tend to close it. This can help also to keep the warmth in the room. So think of it for your farm and how this can really transform your business. So if you need any help regarding these materials, we are there for you. Get in touch with us. Thank you. All right, so we have something more interesting today. So as we look at this machine, this is a dosing machine. This specializes if you are in agriculture and you want to make sure that equal amounts of chemicals, maybe fertilizers, are delivered to each plant. This is your best choice. And you know, in China, this is one of the most efficient and very cheap. As you can see for this one, it has a very powerful pump. If you can look at this one, this is the very powerful pump. And in China is quite cheap, but very, very efficient. As we look at this side, we can also see the control system for this machine. It's fully automatic. You don't need to worry. So if you have a big farm, that can do it by itself. Okay, so get in touch with us. Thank you. All right, so like I said, we supply to so many countries. As you can see so far, these are the countries that we have supplied to. and we are looking forward to work with you in mainly in Africa. We are open for business.